In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find all slow-mo videos in your camera roll on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. So let's get started. And when you turn on the camera, you are able to activate slow-mo video mode, and that's how we can easily make slow-mo videos. And now let me show you how we can easily find all that videos in our camera roll. To do that, go to Photos, then tap right here to head over to Albums, and then scroll down until you find Slow-Mo. That is auto-generated album which contains all the slow-mo videos. If we get into it, we'll be able to easily find all these videos in our camera roll. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.